Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open layers here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Canva, the concept of layers is somewhat different than a traditional design software because Canva does not have a dedicated layers panel. However, you can manage and work with layers using a few simple techniques. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. And from here, you can start from business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create and design option here. Now, in this case, I'm going to upload specific elements. For example, this, right? I'm going to add maybe a text here. Going to click on this, maybe this one. Going to make it like smaller, like 50, I guess. Just around here. Going to put in a video on the bottom, maybe this one right here. Okay. Let's try to create a video, and then this is going to be the half of the layers. All right. Now, you see, for you to be able to open layers, all right, if you click on this one element, if you right click, this is going to be one layer. You have the option to bring to forward, bring to front, send backward, and send to back. All right. You see, this is the easiest way for you to open the layers. Just click on the show layers. But for now, if you click that, what will happen is you would have this option to see and open the layers. Layer 1 is going to be the first one right here. Second layer is going to be the video. The third layer is our Canva. All right. And the fourth is going to be the background. Now, I want to forward this layer on top. Just drag it here. It'll be around here. You see that? Now, there are options that we can open the layers if you don't have that option is to click to any of the element here, click the position. All right. And from there, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in the layers. Wherein, if you see all, you would be able to arrange them accordingly to your preferences and needs. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.